we are back with another bad news from Champions Trophy 2025, and this time it's not just a bad news for Afghanistan ahead of Champions Trophy, but for Mumbai Indians MI ahead of IPL 2025, as Afghanistan spinner Allah Ghaznafar has been ruled out of Champions Trophy 2025 due to a fracture. The fracture happened during the recent team tour visit in Zimbabwe, and he will be ruled out for minimum 4 months, which means his participation in IPL also looks very crucial. And he has 21 wickets to his name in 11 ODIs for Afghanistan, and the news was confirmed by Afghanistan Cricket Board through Twitter. Let's see what they had to say. They said Afghanistan's young spin bowling sensation Allah Ghaznafar has been ruled out of the ICC Champions Trophy due to a fracture in the L4 vertebrae, specifically in the left pars interarticularis. He sustained the injury during Afghanistan's recently held tour Zimbabwe and will be sidelined for a minimum of 4 months and will remain under treatment during this period. They continued, Nangayal Kharoti, who was part of the reserves pool, he has been promoted to the main squad for the Champions Trophy. Additionally, Mujib-ur-Rahman continues to miss the ODI action until he has fully recovered. So, Allah Ghaznafar will be replaced by Nangayal Kharoti in the Champions Trophy 2025 squad, and they have reserved 2 players, Darwish Rasuli and Bilal Sami, in the squad if they require to be travelled to Pakistan for the ICC tournament. Now, moving on, let's take a look at Afghanistan's fixture. They will start their campaign against South Africa on 21st of February, and the second match will be against England on 26th of February, and the third and final group stage match will be played against Australia on 28th of February. It will be very difficult for them to cope up in the ICC Champions Trophy in place of Allah Ghaznafar, as he is not part of the Champions Trophy. Now, Nangayal Kharoti has replaced Allah Ghaznafar in the ICC Champions Trophy squad for Afghanistan. The team will be led by Hazmatullah Shahidi. He will be captaining the Afghanistan team. With the key players are Rahmanullah Gurbaz, the wicketkeeper batter, and Gulbuddin Nabi, Azmatullah Umarzai, Mohammad Nabi, and the star spinner Rashid Khan. With that, Noor Ahmed. These are the players you can keep and watch in the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 for Afghanistan's games. Moving ahead, the injury to Allah Ghaznafar is a long injury, which means his absence from the not only in the Champions Trophy but in the IPL 2025 for MI. If you remember, MI Mumbai Indians signed him for rupees 4.80 crore in the IPL 2025 mega auction. It's a very big amount they invested on Allah Ghaznafar. So it means he is not well for 4 months, and which takes that he won't be travelling to India next month for the IPL 2025. Now, Mumbai's all spin attack will be dependent on New Zealand's white ball captain Mitchell Starc and India's Karan Sharma. Talking about Karan Sharma, has won the IPL title with MI in 2017, and he has played 84 matches for 4 teams in IPL. With that, he has 76 wickets to his name in IPL. Now, talking about Santner, Santner has 120 wickets in 190 T20I matches for New Zealand, and he has been signed by Mumbai Indians for rupees 2 crore in the team. Talking about Allah Ghaznafar, it will be interesting to see how Afghanistan cope up, and as well as Mumbai Indians plan their playing 11 in the IPL in the absence of Allah Ghaznafar in the squad. What are your thoughts and comments on Allah Ghaznafar's injury? Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.